that the contents of this video can be very disturbing to some. This video contains scary content. It is a work of fiction. It is not real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
It's a sunny day here in Orlando. The sun is shining and the highways are jammed. We have a high of 93 degrees and a low of 80. So keep the air conditioning flowing.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. Unusually hot temperatures have been detected emitting from the sun. It is now advised that you move indoors as the wave of new heat is very likely to cause heat fatigue and stroke. The National Weather Service and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration have determined that they, along with other government agencies, are best equipped to deal with the situation. All messages from this point on will be under the guidance of those agencies. Stay tuned for further updates.
In Hollywood, the fabulous 60-minute Price is Right. And now, here is the star of the Price is Right, Drew Carey.
This message is being transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation. This is a state of emergency. Around the world, about 300 million deaths have occurred due to the sun. The sun is now turning all of those exposed to it into zombies, who are now coming together and forming large clumps. These zombies have the ability to remember, but have an insatiable lust to lure you outside. Under no circumstances are you to open the door for anyone outside. They are already gone. There is no hope for them. For your own safety, shut all the blinds, and hide in a dark area. Don't look at the sun. And try to ignore sounds you hear outside. Stay safe and good luck. The President's Cabinet is convening as this message is playing. Keep your televisions and radios on. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with other government agencies. This is an update from earlier. Today, at 3:36 p.m. the sun began exhibiting strange properties, and soon, people all around the hemisphere were dying, and turning into zombies. As stated previously, these zombies retain memory, but cannot help but try to convert other people. The course of action is currently unknown at this time. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with other government agencies. At this time, all of those who are still receiving this message, if you have a basement, you should now go to it. The United States government is now resorting to nuclear weapons as a last resort. If the strike is successful, a message will play saying so. If not, a final message will be broadcasted, saying so. Good luck, stay safe, and listen closely. This message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government, in conjunction with other government agencies. There is no hope. The nukes dropped and were quickly proven ineffective. There were so many zombies in crevasses and buildings searching for people. The nuclear stockpile is all but completely depleted, and zombies continue to replace ones destroyed by the nukes. We are all going to die. There is no hope. Do what you wish with your final days. Ceasing transmissions at the tone. We will play the anthem one final time.
Humanity in its entirety was extinguished 3 days after the nuclear attacks. The nukes created the radiation and the wastelands, and those who were unfortunate enough to get caught out in the sun died painful deaths and lived to see the end. And you, a resourceful survivor, survived much longer than others. You went out at night, you scavenged what you could. You found other survivors, and in one last act, mounted nuclear missiles to target the sun.